What's up, guys? I just wanted to take a quick minute and make a little update video for you. I know I haven't posted a whole lot of BMW content recently after my latest, status video of the M3, but I just wanted to give you an idea of what we have in store for the M3 because the winter build season is coming up. So, a couple big things. Obviously, there are a lot of things that I want to do, and since I'm kind of restoring it at this point, there's essentially an endless list. But top of the list for me is definitely brand new valve covers or valve cover gaskets, including the spark plugs in there. Mine is absolutely cooked. It seeps oil out onto the exhaust, and I think it's starting to foul up the spark plugs, and I'm getting some like weird intermittent idle problems. And it could be a lot of things. It could be the actual, coil packs, which will probably be right there with that. But I figure this is a good step. BMWs have enough problems with leaking, so might as well just, get that done and make there be one less reason for it to leak. So, second off, this is a little bit more just for fun, but we have this really cool 3 clutch differential limited slip rebuild kit. As you see, we have a whole bunch of plates in there. As you see, the friction material is vented. So, super nice stuff. Mine is starting to wear out. And if, you send it really hard in first gear and there's just not enough wheel speed, it sometimes acts like an open differential. And if anybody's tried to drift with an open differential or a worn out limited slip, you know that that's pretty sketchy. And that's not what we want to do. We want nice, consistent, strong lockup. This should improve lockup even over stock, which is super awesome. I'm really excited for that. So that's definitely something that we need to get done. I guess kind of to round this up, we have rev shift bushings. These are specifically for the differential. We have rev shift bushings on the engine, the transmission, the control arms, you name it. But what I've neglected to do is the differential bushings. We've had a lot of problems with the drive shaft recently, specifically the center support bearing and the guibo, and a U-joint failed on the drive shaft. I don't know if it's necessarily because of worn bushings, but I've broken quite a few of these front differential bolts. And not just the bushings, but you see these are grade 10.9, so they're way stronger than what they usually are. So I think now that we have a brand new drive shaft, the differential bushings are definitely something that we need to do to prevent having to replace the drive shaft, or to prevent, snapping more differential bolts. I'm really quick at replacing them now, but it's still annoying. Especially having a hydro, and like a lot of that, rotation that gets caused from the wheel stopping suddenly. It gets transmitted into the differential. And I think, the whole combination of that is just causing a lot of problems. And locking everything down with these green rev shift bushings is going to be super awesome. Like, they're not solid bushings, they have some give, but I love them in all the other parts of my car, and I'm sure that they will be awesome for the differential. And that'll pretty much wrap up all of my differential shenanigans between this guy and those bushings. We have a whole bunch of other stuff, like, suspension and interior and loads of other stuff, but I think this is probably a good place to start for now. Like I said, this is definitely the top of the list. trying to keep the oil inside of the car. But I think with, this quick little afternoon's worth of work here, maybe a little bit longer for the differential, um, the M3 is going to feel like a whole brand new car. Like, I'm really excited to see what all of this does. I can make independent videos for each of these if you guys are interested. These could probably be lumped together, but that's kind of a larger project, so I might not do them at the same time. But we'll see. Let me know what you think. So, yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. Tell me which one you want to see first. Which one, like, if there's any steps you want specifically highlighted, like, anything about valve cover installation, or, tearing down differentials if you're really into that, or, if you just want videos of me burning old, like, bushings out. Like, burning them out is a really good way to get them out, and if you guys are into that sort of thing, then let me know. So, yeah. If there's anything else you want to see, if there's any other projects you want to see, like suspension, anything in the engine bay, interior, exterior, like, just let me know. We have an endless list of projects planned, so I guarantee that we're going to hit whatever you mentioned at some point. So, yeah, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.